8 minus 5 gives us 3. And again, here we have 8 minus 5, which again gives us 3. And 3 times 3 is equal to 9. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operation, PEMDAS, which I am going to write here. So according to this rule, the first thing to solve is parentheses, right? And then after we solve the parentheses, we have to solve exponent. Exponents are numbers that are written on top of another number. So after we solve exponent, then we solve multiplication or division. And finally, we are going to solve addition or subtraction, right? So this is how we should solve problems like this. If we solve subtraction before multiplication, that is wrong, right? So let's go back into our problem and see if we can solve this right. So in our problem, we have parentheses, subtraction, and also multiplication, right? So for those of you who don't know, if a number is next to parentheses, that means multiplication, right? So the first thing to solve is parentheses. Of course, we have to solve the problem inside the parentheses, 8 minus 5. And that gives us 3. And the problem becomes 8 minus 5 times 3, because if a number is placed next to parentheses, that means multiplication. So 5 is going to be multiplied by the difference of 8 and 5. So 5 times 3 is going to be the next sequence because multiplication has a higher priority than subtraction, and multiplication should be solved before subtraction. So 5 times 3 gives us 15. And 8 minus 15 is equal to negative 7. So the final answer to this question is negative 7.